morning, guys. Today is weigh-in day. I'm so excited to be here. This will be my last weigh-in day until I get back from vacation. Next Saturday I'll be in Germany, and I really don't know if I'm gonna have a scale out there. But if I do, I will definitely weigh myself, but I have the feeling there's gonna be no scale. I'm not bringing my big scale with me. So I will be back though for the following Saturday. So regardless, you'll still hear from me, but it might not be a weigh-in day videos. Just wanted to keep you informed of that. A couple of you that follow me on Instagram saw that I had my nails done last night, and I did, and here they are. They are white, and I did this like holographic. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. It's not. It's a ton of little tiny glitters, and it's in this like metallic silver color, but in the light, I don't know if you can see it. Nope. It comes up like rainbow. It is so cool. The rest I did white, something new with this metallic sparkles. Okay, anyway, the eyelashes are still wonderful. I forgot to brush them out when I got up just now, but none missing. Here they are. Okay, so today's weigh-in day. I'm sorry that I got sidetracked, but I've been getting a lot of questions on the nails and the eyes, so anyway. So this week was an interesting week. I had a lot going on as far as preparing for my trip. So I really found myself not having that many hungry days. Some days I am extra hungry just because I feel the exercise that I get at work with all of the walking. And then I do some walks at night. I've done a lot of shopping this week after work, and I've gotten in a whole host of extra steps according to my Fitbit. So I have the feeling that I had the feeling that I was going to have a good weight loss. And so when I got on the scale this morning, I was pleasantly surprised. So if you want to know how that went, just keep watching. Okay, guys, so how did I do? Let's start out with the typical. Drum roll, please. That's right, guys. I lost 1.7 pounds this week, making my total 27 pounds lost. Oh my gosh, 30 pounds is right around the corner. Holy crap, I can't even fathom it. I have been getting many questions asking me about, you know, how much weight do you want to lose? What's your goal weight? All this other stuff. I don't have one. I really don't. I just want to get visually to a point that I know that when I start lifting heavy again, that you're gonna see the muscle and not have this layer of fat over it. I have leaned out a lot. My clothes are, none of my clothes when I started this fit, nothing. Obviously some tops, you know, like sweatshirts and things that I don't mind wearing loose, fit. And, you know, but everything else, all my work clothes, all my work pants, everything is gone. I've either donated it, which I've donated, I would probably say about 75% of my clothes to organization. Then some things I gave away to colleagues. And then I do have a couple pieces that I still have that I still want to put on Poshmark. So when I get back from vacation, I'll be doing that. So I have been shopping quite a bit, and I have to say it's expensive. It's very expensive to lose a bunch of weight and then have to repurchase a bunch of clothes. For me, back in the day, it was so much easier wearing scrubs because you didn't have to have work clothes. So I'm finding that I'm enjoying dresses this summer, something that I really always loved to wear but never really did because I didn't like my shape. You know how a dress kind of either goes in and out or just drapes you. I just wasn't a fan of my figure. So now I love dresses and I'm seeking them out, and they're getting to be all like these amazing prices because the summer is kind of winding down and fall clothes are back in. So I'm enjoying that. Tank tops I'm enjoying this summer because last summer While I did wear them, I wasn't a fan of my arms. You know, I made that video about getting arm surgery, but I'm so glad that I really never went for it. I found that I really just didn't have the funds and the time off to do that at that point. So I kind of was like, all right, well, we'll see what happens. So thankfully I didn't have to do that, because the weight loss has definitely helped in that area. It's still a sore spot with me because my arms are still not 100% where I want them to be, like underneath here. But we're getting there, and it's been a big change, so that's good. I just have to tone up and get rid of some of that loose skin that probably will never go away. But whatever. What else is going on? Today I'm going to get my hair done. My roots are coming in majorly. So today at 10 a.m., what time is it now? 7 a.m. So today at 10 I'm going to get the hair done, so I have a nice fresh color for the vacation. And you know what's weird? I find that when the roots are like getting, you know, really dark again, my hair looks like super flat. I don't know why. I don't know. Whatever. Doesn't matter. This is a weigh-in video. What else do I want to say? So yeah, I don't really have a goal specific. I just want to be able to look at myself and say, I think I look okay, and that's that. Unfortunately, this year I was not able to go to the big convention that they have every year. This year it's in St. Louis, and they unveil like all their new fuelings that are coming out at this big conference, and they, you know, they talk about how you can help your clients, and there's a lot of workshops, and there's just, it's such a great opportunity. I was invited to go, but it of course falls on my vacation and I couldn't go. So there is one coming up in December in Arizona that I'm going to try to get to, and then there's one next summer in Florida. So I am definitely going to be there. So if there's any Optavia coaches out there that are going to be going, or clients that want to go, you don't necessarily have to be a coach, you could be a client. Next year it's in Orlando, and I'm going. So if you guys want to go and do a meetup, let me know. And if anybody lives in Arizona or in that area, I'll be out there in December, and I'll keep you posted on those dates. Let me know that also, and maybe we could do a meetup. That'd be exciting. Again, have a bunch of new clients, and excited. And if you've jumped on board, thank you. And I look forward to working with you. For my clients that have been on it now steadily, that are all doing so wonderfully, I'm proud of you as always, and just keep up the good work, and we're all doing this together. That's the thing, the one thing that I really love about this. Every time I eat one of my fuelings, I think to myself, I wonder if so-and-so is eating this today, or I wonder if so-and-so had their water today, or, you know, it's like everybody's kind of in my mind. And there's some of you that I talk to on the regular because you're starting out. There's some of you that our conversations have slowed down because you guys are just on a roll and you know what you're doing, and you might not need as much coaching anymore. But you're still in my mind and in my heart, and I'm very proud of you, and I just wanted to let you know that. So anyway, another successful week, 1.7 pounds down, making my total 27 pounds. 3 more pounds to the big 30. Whew, I can't even believe it. So let's get there, right? We're gonna stay focused, and we're gonna get there. And I will be vlogging my trip, and you will see as much as I can provide you. And if you have any special requests regarding my vacation, you know, you want to see a dinner out, you want to see backstage at the show, you want to see the crowd, obviously I'm going to try to get all that, but leave me a comment below and tell me what you'd like to see when I'm over there. And I guess that's pretty much it, guys. Another week gone. I love you all. Thank you for sticking by me, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Love you guys. Bye.